Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys display setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we disable guys Samsung phone reading mode setting. Friends, you want to disable guys your reading mode setting guys, you don't want to use, so man, how can we disable from phone setting guys? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable guys your reading mode setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting guys, you will have to click on guys your phone display and brightness setting guys, tap here. Again scroll friends, you can see guys your eye comfort setting means reading mode guys, you can disable from here. After disable guys, screen color will normal and default as guys you can see. So like that guys, we can disable guys Samsung phone reading mode setting. So bye guys, I hope friends you understood how to disable it. So bye friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your display and brightness settings Samsung phone, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.